So that's variadic functions. Now, what if you have a variadic function that you maybe did not write yourself, but a colleague wrote it, or it's part of a third-party package, and now you do have a slice of numbers. But you have a function that doesn't want that slice of numbers, but instead a list of standalone parameters. Now calling such a function would be pretty annoying if you have a slice, because you can't pass your slice as a value here, because we want a list, not a slice. Thankfully, there is also the opposite of this collect all parameter. In a place where a value is needed, so where you call a function that has this collect all parameter, you can pass in your slice with help of another special operator in Go. You can call sum up here and pass in that existing numbers slice like this. I also need to define a standalone value for the starting value though. But then for that collect all parameter, which wants a list of individual parameter values, I can now pass in my slice with the 3 dots. And in this place, the 3 dots will actually pull all the elements from that slice out of that slice and turn that slice into a list of standalone parameter values. So behind the scenes sum up here in line 8 is now called with 4 parameters. This parameter here for the starting value, and then the 3 values in that slice pulled out and turned into 3 separate parameter values. And therefore I can then also output another sum down there if I want to. And with that, if I run this again, I get 26 here for my sum again. It's 26 and not 27 because this 1 here, which I'm passing in for the starting value, is actually not used in this file. I'm not using the starting value anywhere here. I just added it as an example that you can have this mixture here. So the 3 dots can be useful to make your functions more dynamic and flexible. And you can either use them when you define a function in the parameter list that you define to add such a collect all parameter, or you use 3 dots in place where you do want to split a slice or array of existing values up into a standalone parameter list so that you can pass that data into a function that does have this collect all function parameter here in its function definition.